Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is workplace tip number 6. I hope it reaches you in good health, inshallah. A very important role and a responsibility for any young employee is to learn better, to have the desire, to have the zeal to learn better. You have been provided with mentors, you have been provided with managers with tons of experience. So treat them like literal sponges. Sponges who are actually holding on to a lot of experience, wealth of knowledge, wealth of skills, and expertise. So, and use that sponge and squeeze it. During the entire summer months, you need to understand that you have the responsibility and you have the ethical responsibility towards you to actually get all the expertise, all the skills, all the knowledge from your mentors, and all the skills, all the talents that they have to offer to you, so you can become the best of you in a workplace, so you can become the best of would-be professional of tomorrow. Because if you don't talk, if you don't ask questions, if you don't learn today, tomorrow's workplace will be so much more difficult on you, and you will see, I worked for that summer and I wasted the opportunity to learn about business, about event management, about event planning, about community outreach, about community development, web design, media, or whatever you are hired for. So take the best advantage from your mentors, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.